Today, I feel tired, a little bored too. I feel my energy going away, and I know it's because last week and this week have been so slow. Alright, good morning, guys. This is what I'm seeing today with the charts. So EU, I'm seeing it on an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, right? Starting from the 25th, so since yesterday. And it's also breaking structure, the downtrend, trend line, let's say, on the 4-hour. So I think we're gonna be going like bullish for a very long time. Let's see GU. GU looks the same. Let's see 4-hour trend line. Also pretty much the same. It's been failing to create lows here, and it broke the trend line. So let's see GJ. It's not the cleanest, like, but it is an uptrend still. So it's broken this level here. Let's mark this, and let's mark this. Same thing here. Let's mark this low. Let's mark this high. So same thing here. So I'm going bullish. I'm going for buys today for sure. And this low. Yeah, let's mark this low. Alright, guys. So basically, I'm just going for buys to see the 15-minute on these structures, on these levels. Alright. On the 15-minute here. Okay. Alright. 15-minute here. Okay. Let's place it here. And let's go on the 15-minute here. Let's see what's going on. Alright. So right now it's consolidating. This area has failed to create a high. Potentially could keep going down, but from what I think or what I'm trying to do right now, I think my mistake yesterday was focusing too much on the 15-minute and not enough on the 4-hour. But I guess because the 4-hour, I felt like it didn't give me enough info. But I'm going to kind of the same thing that I did yesterday, but I'm pretty much going to focus on this level being my support, and then getting a buy if it breaks above this level here and continue. Same thing with this, and pretty much the same thing here. I don't know if I'll be taking any buys. It looks a little crazier. Let's see, the 4-hour doesn't even look that great on the 4-hour either, so I think I'll be away from EJ for today. I know those is coming out at 10, but it's for CAD, which I don't really trade that, so I know that it's not really gonna affect my setups too much. So that's my analysis for today, guys. I'll see you guys in Alright, guys, so I'll show you and talk to you about what happened today. I don't think I showed you my initial trades for today, and reason being is I don't know. I haven't been in a really good mood, so I am slacking a little bit on YouTube. But I want to show you guys what's going on. So earlier today, when I got onto the markets, right, I had seen this happening, and so I seen this as a level in the market for possible continuation to the upside. And with GJ, when I see GJ doing this, I see this level being respected, I see this happening, these rejections. I see this happening. This candle, once this candle is forming, it's almost done. It's like a second from closing. I had my pending order right here because I seen it closing that way. So I go like this, and I'm like, alright, I'm going for a 1-to-1. It literally touched my entry, and then this happens, then this happens, then this happens, then this happens. At the same time that this is happening, I'm seeing EJ at the same exact time going crazy bullish. Like, it was just pushing up. I'm like, bro, what is going on with pound? Why is pound so weak right now? I need pound to be stronger. At the same time, euro is looking good. Euro is strong. I'm like, bro, there's no way. And then boom, I get tapped out. This is at 9:45, I think it was. By this time already, like 9:15, already for those 30 minutes, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna lose that trade. Let me go look at something else. That's when I come here to EU, because like I said, I felt like EU was gonna be stronger for some reason. I think it's because EJ was pushing up. So I was like, if EJ was pushing up here, obviously you see this now happening, but when EJ was pushing up, it was because EJ, I think euro was strong. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna check this out. And at the same time, I seen GU. GU was also creating a level in the market, which was right here. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it was right here. Right? Am I tripping? No. Okay. So it was at this time. This time I'm seeing this. So I'm seeing a depletion in that push, in that bearish momentum. At the same time, I'm seeing this happening. And I don't know, but I think backtesting either has given me more confidence in taking a trade like this, or also just past like experience seeing the market. This little like shape right here, let me see if I can like draw this shape right there is like, I don't know, for some reason it's interesting to me to get in a trade like that. And so I went on the 4-hour, and when I went on the 4-hour, I saw this level in the market. Right? Again, what I'm doing right now is pretty much just, instead of looking for lows and highs, like extreme lows and highs, I'm trying to pay attention to just the last 4-hour candle, especially if this is an uptrend. I want to see it being respected. And it was respecting that line. So I'm like, okay, interesting. Let's go ahead and see the next candle. When I see the next candle, it's a green candle. Yes, it didn't close perfect, but at the same time, it did push all the way up here before it came down here. And it didn't close below, it didn't push below. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna place my entry right here. And I was like, am I gonna go for a 1-to-1? I don't think so, because I was pissed about this. So I was like, I'm gonna go for a 1-to-2 because whatever, no partials, I'm going for a 1-to-2. Then this happens. I'm like, okay, it still is looking good, If anything, it just gives me more confidence that, or adds more confidence to the fact that this didn't push down. Yes, it hasn't pushed up, but I had a feeling that it was just going to push up after this. It hadn't broken this level, this trend line. It is still on a downtrend formation, so it was a little bit out of my trading comfort, but at the same time, like I said, I want to take more advantage of. Sometimes patterns are not going to be super clean. Next candle was this right here. When I saw this, I think, at a 1-to-1. I didn't see it close. This was before it closed. Before it closed, I just seen it pushing, pushing, pushing. I was like, all right, I'm not going for a 1-to-1. I'm going for a 1-to-2 for sure. And I started seeing for a 1-to-2. And why do I want to go for a 1-to-2? Because I want to make a profit and also make the profit that I lost back. But at the same time, I was like, man, I want to get out of drawdown because right now I'm in drawdown. And so I was like, okay, if this continues pushing up, I'm going for 1-to-3. So this happens. I'm like, man, I hope this goes bullish, whatever. Like, I hope it goes good. Then I see this candle, which was when this was forming. When it was forming, I was like, yeah, I'm going for 1-to-3. Whatever. Because on the 4-hour, if it can break this level right here, it'll continue pushing up. And then this happens. I'm like, man, it still looks good for me. For GU, it was like a little. I'm gonna show you guys. It was a little like ugly. Where was it? I don't know. It was a little ugly around here. Oh, because I'm on the 5-minute. Okay, that's why it looks weird. All right. GU at that same time, it looked like this. So it came back all the way down into this area. Mine was halfway in that area, so it wasn't like ugly. It still looked like a push to the upside. This seemed like, oh, it could just be consolidating or it could just keep going back down. I was like, no, mine looks good. Held it. Then I seen this. I was like, oof, nice. Once I seen this, I told myself I can go in for another trade right here. I was like, I really can just do this right here. Go for a 1-to-1. The only reason I didn't do this is because I don't know. I'm still a little afraid, I guess, because I've been on a losing streak. But I could have gotten that trade off of just one candle. Look at that. I would have made a 1-to-1 right there. So I would have had an additional percent. But whatever. Once I seen this, I was like, yeah, this looks good. I need to see a close above this level before I put this at break even. I seen this, and I put it at break even. And then I closed my trade early. I closed it right here. Because I didn't want, it was just like playing around in this area, and I said, you know what, I don't care about making a 1-to-3. That wasn't the reason why I took the trade. It wasn't because I want to get 3% on this trade because of I want my percentage. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, it wasn't because I just want to get to a 1-to-3. I was like, nah, I want to get out of drawdown. And at that point, I was already out of drawdown. So I was like, nah, why am I going to jeopardize or why am I going to make my life harder when I could just get out of drawdown right now? And so I closed it. And yeah, it kept going. I would have gotten maybe like a few hundred more, but it wasn't anything drastic. I'm just happy that I was able to get out of drawdown right now because I needed that. Really, really needed that for today. So that was how my trading went today. And I will hopefully tomorrow we have another great day. Hopefully the markets keep trending this way. And also, yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me because I know that my last couple videos or my energy is a little bit off, and it's because not only like with trading but with other things in life, it's just a little difficult. and I know it's off and videos have been short. Right now I feel really good because I won that trade. I needed that win, and I know that you guys can understand that because you guys are traders too, and you guys know that it's hard. It's hard keeping a positive mindset sometimes when things are not going your way because it's so confusing right now. Like the market is just so confusing to me, or were very confusing last week. So yesterday I missed that trade. It pissed me off. I was just like, there's no way I could have been up right now. But thank God for today. And yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for everybody that is subscribing. Like right now, it's like every day I'm like, man, I got a subscriber, or damn, I got a couple likes on my videos, or like, damn, actually getting some views. So it's super cool to see how like you guys are kind of liking my stuff, which is surprising to me because all I'm doing is recording my journey. But I really appreciate you guys like following along. So thank you.